Today, electric energy is created in large power plants, reaching private and industrial consumers through an elaborate distribution grid. This grid extends across countries and entire continents. But what about places not connected to the grid, such as remote villages, islands, temporary settlements, or refugee camps? Electric microgrids powered by diesel generators are still the standard solution wherever a connection to the distribution grid isn't feasible or where the grid is unreliable. But diesel can be expensive. Diesel is dirty and generates greenhouse gas emissions, and diesel is not sustainable in the long term. On the other hand, renewable energy sources are often available in abundance. So why not build a microgrid that uses the wind or the sun or other renewable energy sources such as geothermal energy and hydropower? To be efficient, such a green microgrid has to provide ways to store energy, consider flexible loads, and balance all components using smart algorithms. There are a large number of possible technical components and configurations of such a microgrid, depending on the specific requirements of each project. That's why planning a decentralized energy supply solution with the optimal balance of efficiency, reliability, and cost is no easy task, especially when renewables are involved. The Energenius MicrogridCreator enables you to find the optimal solution for your microgrid development project. With the MGCreator, you can easily configure a green energy microgrid solution that integrates renewables, storage, and flexible loads. MGCreator can compute the optimal configuration, operational mode, and performance of your grid based on a comprehensive scientific model. You can forecast the performance and cost of your microgrid project, taking into account the specs and cost of the technical components selected, as well as the climatic conditions at the project site. MGCreator does not have to be installed on a computer. It runs in the cloud, accessible from everywhere through a user-friendly web interface. To configure a microgrid, you can select components like renewables, storage, and load types from a component database. And you can configure and parameterize each component based on your needs. Relevant weather data such as wind velocity, solar radiation, and temperature can be downloaded from the web. Once the basic structure of the microgrid has been defined and the parameters set, MGCreator automatically calculates the optimal configuration of the grid and the best parameterization for each component based on your design objectives. These can include economic and environmental aspects. Over the course of 1 year, in 15-minute time steps, the simulator predicts the behavior of each grid component and the overall performance of the system. You can also compute the capital investment required to set up the microgrid, the average cost of the electric energy produced, and many other relevant parameters and indicators such as CO2 emissions and non-renewable primary energy demand. It's easy to use the MicrogridCreator. Try it out.